Hi, as you know, 17th of December has been marked as Kurdish Flag Day. So today my students and I will share some imperative and important information with you about that flag, which was created in 1920 by the Society for the Rise of Kurdistan. It was first introduced at the Paris Peace Conference by the early leaders of the Kurdish nationalist movement, 𝙖𝙧𝙬🙬 Ever since the early 20th century, the Kurdistan flag has been a symbol of great national pride for Kurds across the world. As well, on 28th of January 1927, the Ararat Revolution was declared by hoisting the Kurdistan flag on top of 𝙁𝙧𝙬𝙬 mountain to show resistance against the oppression of the Turks. The Kurdistan flag was an indication of the Kurdish fighters' arrival to the Turkish troops who were trying to dominate the whole Kurdish nation. In addition, the flag became a symbol of hope for those who dreamed of Kurdistan's freedom in Ararat Revolution from 1927 till 1931. Unfortunately, the Ararat Republic was defeated by the Turkish troops in September 1931. Furthermore, a national flag or a national Kurdish flag with a coat of arms instead of a sunburst was adopted in 1946 by the short-lived Kurdistan Republic of Mohabbat. Over and above that, in 1992, the Iraqi Kurdistan region adopted the 21-race sunburst design of Dr. 𝙁𝙧𝙬𝙬 and Dr. 𝘿𝙖𝙧𝙬𝙬 𝙬𝙧𝙬. To this day, the sunburst design remains the national flag of Kurdistan. Besides, the flag that Kurdistan region government set as the national flag in 1992 also consists of 4 colors. The design was more like Ararat Revolution's flag rather than Kurdistan Republic, with the upper stripe being red and middle one white and the last stripe being green. The difference between the Ararat and the Kurdistan region government flag is in the sun in its middle. The sun that occupies the middle of Kurdistan region governed flag consists of 21 thick rays that carries deeper meaning. Including in 2009, the Kurdistan region parliament declared 17th of December to mark the Kurdistan or the Kurdish National Flag Day, since it was first officially used by the Republic of Kurdistan, known as the Republic of Mohabbat, on 17th December 1946. Basically, every nation's flag is designed with the purpose of showing the nation's history, struggles, identity, and vision. And Kurdistan's flag is no exception. The colors of the flag carry several meanings rooted deep in the history, culture, and beliefs of the Kurdish society. Therefore, let's ask my students, what's the story of the Kurdish flag colors and the sun?
The red stands for the balance of battle that fought for freedom. The white is simply equality and peace. The yellow encloses the life of the people and the source of life. The sun has exactly 21 rays that are connected with the 21st March, which is Kurdish North.